Hi guys, and welcome back to Phil's Drone Zone. A little while back I uploaded some signal interference effects for iMovie, and I thought, why not? Let's upload them for users of Final Cut Pro. And as well as that, I popped into Motion and I created a couple of interference transitions that you can also download for free and use in your projects. So once you've popped the effects and transitions into the appropriate Motion templates folder, and if you are new to installing plugins into Final Cut Pro, I'm going to upload a video on how to do it because a few people have asked me how to do it. So I'll upload a video in the next couple of days, and I'll add the link to the bottom of this video. Okay, so now let's pop into Final Cut Pro and let's see what we can do with these effects and transitions. Okay, as you can see, I've loaded up 3 clips, and I've also got a little bit of static there, which I found in the Final Cut Pro library. So the transitions you pretty much use as you would any other transition. Just simply drag your your transition over, insert it between the clips, and then resize it to the size that you want it. It's made to be 3 seconds long, so you can have up to 3 seconds. I like it at about 1.5 seconds. To insert the effects, it's a different process. Just go to the part of the clip where you want the effects to begin, and then press Command B to blade the clip at that point. Then press Shift and right arrow key to move it 10 frames forward, and do that 3 times. These effects are all 10 frames long. I like to use them in 3s, but you can use them in singly for a quick burst. But I think they're more effective when you use them in 3s. Then in each of the bladed clips, then simply insert one of the effects, mix them up. It gives you a nice, better feel to it if you mix them up. We'll have another hooped ones, horizontal one for the end. And then what I like to do for the very last portion is to find the X-ray effect and just drop that in the last one. It just gives it a nice little feel. But that's entirely optional and up to you, purely up to you. And then you have a really nice signal interference effect. I'll just pop in the sound effect, which I found in the Final Cut Pro library, static in the Final Cut Pro library. And then you have a really nice interference static type effect. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope that some of you will go download and enjoy using the effects and transitions. I would love to see what you do with them, so please, if you do use them, drop me a link below, and I'd love to see what you've made of them. Okay, that's it, as I said, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a great big like if you enjoyed the video, and share the video if you feel that others may benefit from having a look. Okay, all that remains to be said now is see you in the next video.